Statewide ballot question committees. How to e-file reports with Reporter 7. Statewide ballot question committees e-file campaign finance reports 60 days prior to an election, and then twice monthly through mid-November. Ballot question committees also file year-end reports each January. To file a report, log into Reporter 7 from the OCPF website. From the Reporter 7 homepage, click the All Reports tile. All reports due for the year will be displayed here, based on whether the question will appear on the November ballot. Within a report, a committee will enter information into the relevant schedules. Contributions are disclosed on the receipt schedule. There are no limits, and BQ committees may accept funds from individuals, businesses, and organizations. Spending is disclosed on the expenditure schedule. Please provide a detailed political purpose for each expenditure. In-kind contributions are things of value that are not direct monetary contributions. There are no limits. Liabilities are debts owed, such as unpaid bills. Sub-vendor reports are filed when a ballot question committee makes a payment of $5,000 or more to a vendor, and the vendor spends $500 or more on behalf of the committee. E-file the report from the summary page.